It's a certified 2016 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Muscular yet graceful, thrilling yet serene, this C-Class is the precise balance of all things Mercedes-Benz. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: streaming audio, dual-zone climate control, smartphone wireless charging, aluminum wheels, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, external memory control, power tilting steering column, automatic suspension management, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and power heated mirrors. Car and Driver remarks consider the C-Class as all that Mercedes knows about full-size luxury distilled into a smaller package. High style, high performance, Mercedes-Benz. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,